Yo, what is good everybody, and welcome back to yet again another Minimal Mondays. For today's video, we have something very special planned as we're debuting our first sneakers ever. Now, as you can see, I do have the shoes right next to me. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this box and get today's video started. So just a quick overview on the box. As you can see, it is just a plain white box, very minimalist, with the size tag here on the front. Now jumping into the box, we have the sneakers obviously, but they do come in a very nicely presented fabric dust bag. Obviously, you're not here for the presentation, you're here for the sneakers. Now, I have to say my first impressions on these sneakers is that I am very impressed. You can absolutely tell that attention to detail was taken, as the quality, the details, the material are all A1. The upper is comprised of 100% leather. The lining is also 100% leather, with the sole being comprised of a very high quality, durable 100% rubber. Now, just a little bit of detail on the GAT sneaker. They were developed here in Los Angeles, and the origin of its design is inspired by the classic German army trainer. As previously mentioned, they're constructed with both white leather and gray suede with a leather lining. It also features a custom cup sole constructed of a very sturdy off-white rubber, and the insole is comprised of a very soft leather. Now, in terms of sizing, I do highly recommend you guys size down, as these do fit a half size big. Outside of that, I think you guys will be pleasantly surprised as to how comfortable these are. The soft insole makes for a very comfortable ride. And of course, as previously stated, the leather details, the quality, the materials are very good. Anyways, I'd love to hear what you guys have to say in the comment section down below about the GAT sneaker. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. If you did, be sure to hit that thumbs up button and comment down below what you guys would like to see come out of these sneakers. If you guys would like to see more boots, more sneakers, any different styles, we're definitely listening to our community. As always, guys, thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you guys again next week for another Minimal Monday.